Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm with Dolce, Gelato, and Sorbetto. I'm here today to give you a brief demonstration on how to properly set up your gelato display case using our product. We recommend Savell USA. You can always look them up on the website, www.savellusa.com, to view all of our equipment options on our gelato startup package. This is a Savell gelato case, and you will see that our product is already staged for you, but I do want to show you how our product comes delivered to you. We pack everything by the single. This is our box. Just simply open it up. Remove the container from the box. Put that aside. And this is a proprietary custom container that is set up specifically for the European 5-liter stainless steel container that comes with your display cases. Our container is a little bit larger than the standard packaging out there. We made it a little bit wider so it fits that much tighter to the stainless steel, which helps keep the product that much colder, insulates it better. You'll notice that as soon as you take the lid off of our product, it already comes pre-swirled and lightly decorated for your convenience. So right out of the box, you really do have an amazing presentation. If at any time when you open our containers, if there's a little bit of gelato around the rims of the product, just take a nice paper towel and wipe off the rims prior to putting it in your display case, because you don't want gelato sticking to the stainless steel. Next step, put it right into the stainless steel container and you're done. That's it. Just to kind of reiterate, once again, keep your display case set at 5 degrees Fahrenheit. That will be a perfect temperature for all of our flavors, and also keep your back storage freezer at 5 degrees. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions or want to discuss in more detail, just reach out to us through our website, and we'll be able to connect you with one of our sales associates that can speak with you in more detail about how to set up gelato for your business. Thanks so much.